287 Marmion Street is a beautiful bungalow between Hawkstone Street and Florence Street. Uphill and looking with a beautiful hinterland view. But there's more. 767 square metres of land and a really wide frontage and a beautiful deep verge. This is quality buying in Cottesloe, Nick.
Chris, we are right in the heart of family Cottesloe here. We're up the road from Daisy's, walking distance to the Northcote Primary, and just round the corner, down Hawkstone Street, you're right on Northcote Beach.
All the classic Californian bungalow features are here. Solid Jarrah floors throughout, beautiful high decorative ceilings, lots of living volume in the house. This modest home is a beautiful base for a classic Cottesloe renovation by the sea.
Chris, this home just oozes Cottesloe family appeal. It's not going to last this spring. We're selling it by a closing date, so get in touch and get your inspection today.
This is what everybody wants in Cottesloe. Come and get it for you and your family.